Here I've got Xiaomi Redmi Note 9S, and let me show you how to activate and use camera timer on the following device. So at first you have to open the camera app, and then let's go with all the setup. Now just tap on the more icon, which is 3 dots one, actually 3 horizontal lines in right upper corner, and then click on timer right here. And you can see that it has 3, 5 seconds option. So just select the one that you would like to apply. We can start with 5 seconds delay, and as you can see now, the picture will be taken after 5 seconds countdown. And this is it. Obviously you can change it to 3 seconds if you want to, just like that. And if you would like to turn it off, just click again until it's not active. And now you will be able to grab a picture right after you click. And that would be all. This is it. This is how you can use camera timer, how you can take a photo with some delay. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.